Hey, what's up guys, Neil Chicken here, and today I'll be showing you how to cheat in CSGO. Before I start the video, I'd like to point out that I have all the downloads listed in the description of this video. And remember, hacking will get you VAC banned, so be super careful. If you have any valuables on your account, you might not want to hack on that one. So to start this off, you will need your own copy of CSGO. This process is now a little easier that the game is now free to play. But don't get IP banned. Then all you need to do is click the link in the description of this video. The jar file should automatically start downloading. Then all you need to do is hit run. This should automatically install the cheats directly into your game folder. And from this point, all you need to do is to run the game and everything should be automatically enabled. There's no need to fine tune any of your cheats in this hack, because there's no aim. Yo, like, I can't really speak, guys. Yeah, so, here's some clips. Oh, don't buy scope weapons.
Got one. I'm dead. I'm gonna use the bathroom.
But I did actually know where he was. It wasn't that sus. Where did they go?
What's happening, boys?
You're in the fucking wall.
No about it. No.
James! James!
Wait, can you wallbang this shit?
You're not even aiming at him. I don't know.
No, you can't though.
James, you have fucking walls. Go, go.
You know what's kind of the sad part? We were doing better against them before we started using.
Just,
Oof.
we have an undercover operative. I just hit the stupidest bunny hop. Yo, hold on. Dualies. Come with me. Just get a bunny hop around the map. Oh no, I found James.
There's a motherfucker.
Let me find some more SB. I think James is, dude. I can't believe Oscar didn't know that. It's so hilarious. Yeah, he just deep the wall. Open. I don't know if you. Where are they? Shit, that's. I just got killed by Oscar. Shit. So sad. I think it makes me do worse, I'll be honest. Makes me do worse, because I stopped trying now. Whatever that ugly did. Hold on, we have to figure out the other thing to do.
What?
My God mode didn't work. Oops. I'm stupid.
It's me and James.
You can wall through that. You're not hitting through the.
Hey, what's up, guys? Neil Chicken here. I'm in a regular comp match right now. Today I'll be showing you how to B-hop. So, just gonna do a little strafing, you know, no biggie. Oh shit. I kind of fucked up the hop here. It's all good.
You wanna let me through here, homie? Grab. So I just hit him with my knife once. I hit him with the left click knife too. What? Dude, someone's just jointing the hostage. Hold it. Behind you, hold it. Hold it. You're doing really well right now, actually.
Damn warning. Falling though.
I'm gonna try.
No.
Let me try.
Do you a Zeus? I can't tell.
How do you wall in this game, man? How do you wall?
Yeah, that's the end of the video, folks. 1 like equals 1 day early I get off the opioids. Woo. Oh yeah, also, my cheeks are swollen enough that I can't close my mouth fully, so, my mouth's also super dry. Please send me wet wipes so I can eat them.